guide pose. Hold on, let me see.
Alright guys, we're about to go to a meet. I don't know what time it is, but it's
10:14.
Yep. But yeah, chat. I'm going to a car meet. We're just gonna be there for a little bit, show you guys everything, the scene and shit.
Dude, it's moving. I can't stabilize while it's moving.
That's cool. But yeah. I'm not too sure what else. I'll show you guys the cool cars, the sick cars, and the gay cars. So yeah,
like yours, the gay one.
All right, guys. I'll see you over there, guys. Especially mine. Mine's gay.
No.
Diddy Black.
Bro, you should race.
On my tranny,
F the tranny. No. Guys, he's just a little puss. He can't race. Look at this.
Fuck, man.
Messy. No, boy. No, that made me buzz. No, boy. That made me nut.
You gotta look where you pass.
Shit. What the fuck?
Does he got that SMT? This one's turbo, bro. This one's turbo. This one's dude, there was one on it. That's super clean. Fucking tough, bro. Look at that shit, bro. We're at a car meet with the homies. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I'm gonna show you guys everything. See what's cool.
Yo, I need to go
on easy. That shit's clean. My fault. Hold on. There's a lot of get something that's not DOT. Oh, look at that.
Guys.
Well, we just got it. Huh?
Are we going to there? Where's the other one? Where's that at? I'll just follow you, bro. Fuck it. Let's just drive. Fuck it.
Guys, they just busted us.
We cooked. Should dip, though. We could get a ticket, huh? We could get a ticket.
Being here, they won't give us one. If we hang out, we will.
I bet.
Nah, just dip. Métete. We just came here, bro.
Oh, if we reverse. If we fucking reverse.
Hey, Roger. Go.
He's gonna go through. If we reverse?
Tell him.
No. He's gonna go straight ahead.
Then you reverse and then you can meet him over there?
Should I?
Yeah.
No, it's too late.
See, look what we're doing. Yeah, bro, it's kind of...
Oh, they blocked everybody in.
Are we cooked?
It might be. Nah.
Especially your car, it looks like a goddamn... It looks like you're in this a little bit. Stressing?
Yeah, I don't know where to fucking go, bro.
It's alright, bro. Just find somewhere. Alright, bro, where are you dipping? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Of course. I was gonna say race on the light.
Fuck no.
Why? I don't want to race, bro, because they're cops.
Yeah. There's a bunch of cops, bro.
¿Y qué pasa?
He just broke the law. I'm scared. Help!
Bro, luckily no cop was there, bro.
Alright guys, so we left the other meet because it got fucking raided by some cops. And now we're on the second spot. Fucking, this shit was crazy, bro. Hopefully this one doesn't get as raided as quick because we just got there and everybody, the whole cops pulled up, bro. We just got there. I'm like, bro, some bullshit. Felt like NFS.
Yeah, because the cops were talking.
Yeah, they were like,
Y'all need to leave.
Get out!
like, bro, it's just Talk to a podcast, bro.
Enter the get out right now.
We're trying to listen to that Talk to a podcast.
Yeah. Especially me. I mean, especially Lalo.
Yeah.
Cause he's gay. No, but...
That's how you get a Camry.
This shit was crazy though, bro.
Yeah, bro. Look. This one.
I didn't know something.
could also do car noises too, Lalo.
There's an In-N-Out guy.
Yo, let's go to In-N-Out. I'm hungry. Student driver. You saw that?
No,
I'm playing.
somebody just took a fucking shit.
What the fuck?
How do you fit in there?
I have no idea.
Bro,
Pull up to your shit, I'm Nagasaki. So much ice on me, I feel like I'm playing some hockey. The bling that be blinking, don't know what I'm thinking. Hit hard like a season, you think that I'm winning. They hate, but I'm greening.
So, we're gonna hop on the Talk to It podcast next week, featuring Jerry, Lalo, and Rogelio. So yeah. But no, we're at the meet right now. It's pretty chill. It's getting packed. We're gonna see what the fuck's up, because hopefully it's not too crazy where the cops come. Because this side is like less with cops. So yeah.
I don't know how that is with
With what? With needs? I'm not sure. I mean, it's always been pretty chill. So yeah.
It's over there.
I like holding it with one.
Dude, they made a firework go and it aimed at us, and some guy got hit and like got a third-degree burn and started bleeding instantly. Damn, it was bad. And then his shirt was on fire. Yeah, that's crazy. It was crazy. That's fucking crazy, bro.
I low-key wanted to park my shit in here, but I don't think I'll fit.
What if I just start recording like this?
Oh, hell no.
Hey, Lalo, I'm Chill Guy. You know what Chill Guy is? It's because I think
You
he's
didn't
just
bring a
too chill
jacket,
for
huh?
you.
You cold?
I think I have one in my car, but it's okay.
Oh, let me see it.
We switched fits.
I know. I like the black better.
That shit's clean as fuck. What? This is crazy as fuck. Oh yeah.
You gonna be famous one day?
Look at this shit crazy, bro.
Doing anything to impress the house.
This shit is crazy. Look at that. Yo, these BMWs are so clean. These are F80s, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that G80.
This one's nice.
This is clean as fuck.
Where's the heels?
Oh, yeah. Clean.
We're trying to get a race in. I feel like you need to for.
What the?
Hey, hurts, take it out.
That shit was ass, huh?
No.
Lunch sleeves are better.
Huh?
Lunch sleeves are better.
Rizzler approved.
Rizzler approved.
Call it a night.
There wasn't really
A lot of people say it.
crazy. There's really nothing crazy.
What if you
It was pretty cool.
Rizzler's getting that bag.
Lunch
I don't know,
makes,
man.
Like, they make a shit.
Don't they have like lead?
I don't know, man. These car meets have been low-key boring lately, so
Like
I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to one after, like in a while. So
rumors.
yeah, guys, I'm gonna start driving home and see what the fuck is up later. Yeah. They're like $4 now.
Oh, they're 4?
They're like, last time I saw they were like 10.
Huh?
7.
What? Nah.
7 or
What
8.
Lunchables are you getting?
I don't get Lunchables. I saw them over there.
He knows the price is too good.
Then I'm gonna get lunch like $4 instead of 10.
It has to be. Not talking a gun, but shoot at their face, not spreading the case. Cold-hearted as vultures, yeah. Feeling the spirit, ain't even October. She thought she was lucky, but this wasn't no 4-leaf clover.